The surge in COVID-19 cases continues in Springfield. Today, city health officials zeroing in on where they're seeing high numbers of COVID-19 cases in the city.
Western Mass News reporter Audrey Russo joins us live in the city with a closer look at the data. Audrey?
Several weeks ago, health officials in the city identified 4 zip codes where there were spikes in COVID-19 cases. Now, 3 of those zip codes make up more than half of the cases in the city, including here in Liberty Heights.
There's an increase across every single zip code in our city.
Springfield health officials drilling down on the rise in COVID-19 cases in the city, with McKnight, Liberty Heights, and Forest Park making up a significant bulk.
54% of the cases in our city are in 01104, 01108, and 01109.
Officials making the call to keep Sear Arena and Forest Park closed for another 2 weeks in the hopes of stopping the spread there. Western Mass News asking if more drastic measures could be expected in the future.
If we saw something, we would attend to it immediately, but we feel that the parks offer that peace of mind that people need right now.
But I'm not going to consider a lockdown only if, knock on wood, if things were to get completely out of control.
Officials maintain the biggest source of spread comes from private gatherings. Yet, even after weeks of saying that, they're still getting calls about social distancing failures at large establishments.
I am not going to call out that establishment because I don't think we want to be in the punitive business.
That could change soon.
I think if you are blatant enough during this environment to ignore good public health advice, then you deserve to have your name mentioned in a way that is not positive. However, I will not do that yet.
Now, much of the country woke up to some good news today regarding the fight against COVID-19. PFIZER reporting that their vaccine candidate is 90% effective in producing antibodies. Coming up tonight on Western Mass News at 6, we'll hear from the president of Bay State Health about what this could mean for Western Mass. Live in Springfield, Audrey Russo for Western Mass News.